up, YouTube? We've got another video coming at you today. We got us a new project, and here she is. This thing is a 1989 Bass Tracker Tournament TXS. I know nothing about these boats, so roast me in the comments if I'm saying the wrong models or whatever. It's a 17 footer. I was told this is a 45 horsepower outboard, and yeah, she'll turn over, but she don't run right now because it's been sitting for like 4 years. But she sounds like she got good compression, and we're gonna drain all the fuel out and see if we can't get it going today. And then, you know, we'll have a couple other videos coming of cleaning this thing up. We're probably gonna redo the decking on the front and the rear. Carpet's kind of peeling up. The plywood is actually not soft anywhere on the boat, but I don't know, we might go, you know what, I'll save that for another video. Y'all just have to tune back in and see what we're gonna do to this thing. But we're gonna make it a nice boat and eventually get it out on the water, so stay tuned. All right guys, so here's our fuel tank right here. I think first thing we need to get in here with the vacuum and vacuum all these leaves and crap out of here. And then we've got our little primer bulb right here, and it comes out down over here. I think I'm gonna get me a couple of jugs and try to get all of this old fuel out of here and get some fresh non-ethanol fuel in there. Well, hello. I think that's the first order of business, and then we can see if we can prime up the fuel to the engine and see if she starts. All right guys, we got our 5-gallon tank set up down there, and we've got my friend pulling in. But we're just gonna run this primer bulb and try to get a siphon going, and maybe it'll siphon all the fuel out of here, so we won't have to do much work. Just a good bit of fuel in there. All right guys, we got all the fuel pumped out of here. Primer bulb's just sucking air now. So we're gonna try to get some fresh fuel in here. Gotta run up to the gas station. My friend decided to stop by to use the facilities of my mini bike. So if you hear that going in the background, don't mind that. Say hey to YouTube. Yeah. So we're gonna go get some fresh fuel in this thing, hook it up, prime it up, and see if she starts. All right guys, we're headed to the gas station to get some fuel for this thing. We'll see you there.
Thousand years later.
Alright guys, we're at the gas station. We're gonna get some of this non-ethanol fuel. I know a lot of people just run the like Stabil fuel stabilizer and these things, but I prefer to run the non-ethanol. It's just a lot easier on the components, the hoses, the seals, everything. This battery had a charge on it still. It's been sitting for 4 years, but I'm just gonna put it on the battery charger just to make sure we don't run it dead while we're trying to get this thing to fire up again. I'm just gonna try to get it to fire off, and then we'll take the muffs and put them on the water intake and put a hose to it but I just want to make sure it'll fire first thing before I go through all that. So old nasty fuel to the face. Okay, fuel primer, why aren't you running? Spitting fuel out. And sat for 4 years. Alright, well, let's get the muffs on it. These things are kind of old and decrepit. Kind of scared to open them up and see what's inside. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, comment down below, and if you made it this far in the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps us bring you more content like this. Y'all stay tuned. There will be more videos coming on the boat. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff to it, a lot of restoration, fixing it back up, and hopefully we'll get it out on the water before all the lakes around here, they drain them in the wintertime. But hopefully we can get it on the water before they drain all the lakes. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll bring you some more videos on the boat. While y'all are at it, down there in the description there is a link for my brand, Simple Man Outfitters. If y'all want to go pick you up a hoodie or a t-shirt, a hat, phone case, we've got all kinds of stuff over there on the website, so y'all make sure to go check that out. This particular hoodie that I've got on is I don't know if y'all can see that, it's a Simple Life cabin hoodie. Personally, one of my favorites. There's a couple different kinds of designs on the website, so y'all go check it out. And if you want to buy something, there will be a discount code in the description that'll get you 10% off over there, so go check it out and support us if you can. Thank you.